We're in the kitchen at Second Harvest, and I'm hanging out with the gang today. Yes, I love this part. I love this part. So we have Val and Tomas and Chef Laurent Zarate.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, we just have a lot of fun, don't we?
We do.
Yeah,
We do.
it was a lot of fun going up in that little prop plane.
Yeah.
It was called, a funny story about that, it was called the Farmland Fox, right? And it had the name written down on the plane, and I had posted a picture of me in the plane, and one of my friends says, "Oh, it was nice of them to name the plane after you." So I am the Farmland Fox.
Oh, okay. They might drum up more business if you were the pilot.
There we go.
So you said the landing was kind of...
The landing was fun.
I was shooting it, and so I saw her coming in, and we saw the bounce that this plane took.
He just says, "Hold on." No, it was great. I wasn't scared at all.
I love those smaller planes. I just feel so much closer to nature from another view.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's difficult when you have the pear orchard that I was in, where sometimes it's hard to see in bird's eye view. Sometimes a plane is helpful in those situations because over there in Wenatchee and Chelan, boy, they're using those hillsides like you wouldn't believe. And that family, you saw how much fun we had. It was amazing. Now that is really what it's like about.
Well, one of my favorite things to eat is a beignet.
A beignet,
Which
yes.
is what we're
gonna
going
do
to
a
make
little
today.
apple beignet. It's a very traditional recipe. I used to do that at school when I was 15, 16 years old. So 10 years ago. And,
Right.
you know, I think it's good. You'll see. I hope you enjoy it.
Okay, let's see how we make it. Fresh out of the fryer.
Fresh out of the fryer.
Just like
Oh my
I
gosh.
like them.
So nice and warm.
I honestly, this is one of my favorite food groups.
Reminds me of an elephant ear.
It's a process. This batter, you know, you have to whip the egg whites. You have to incorporate it with the beignet. So it's a little, I would say, more complicated than your regular batter, but it's lighter. And if you have excess of batter, use your waffle maker, and you can make a waffle out of that batter.
Good. Oh yeah.
I love the apple. It's just the surprise of the apple inside there. And you can change this up just by any different kind of apple you decide to use.
Or a pear.
Or a pear would change the
Right.
whole profile of this.
I feel like we need a moment of silence.
While we eat.
This is just so divine.
The traditional way to eat it is with a jam in France. So apricot jam was the traditional way.
Delicious. Oh, so many options.
These
So
are fun.
just a really good way to get creative. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love beignets.
Great idea.
I eat it all.
To get the recipe for Chef Laurent Zarate's apple beignet with chocolate sauce, visit us at wagrown.com.